Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unwiring Tech. I am Ranjana, and joining me today is my co host Amrita. We have been talking about AI as a technology focusing on its impact on elections. Today, we will be talking about how countries worldwide are dealing with menace created by AI in elections.
That's right, Ranjana. The use of AI in elections isn't just a trend. It's becoming a critical tool in both enhancing and creating challenges in the electoral processes, as we have been discussing in the past few episodes. In India, the Election Commission has been at the forefront of tackling deepfakes and misinformation. But how? Ranjana, would you like to elaborate a bit on it?
Surely, Amrita. The Election Commission issued a crucial advisory to political parties and candidates contesting Lok Sabha elections, which mandated the removal of deepfake audios and videos within 3 hours of detection. Citing provisions from the Information Technology Act 2000, Representation of the People Act 1951, and Section 505 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, previously known as Indian Penal Code. These measures aimed at preventing the dissemination of false information that could sway voter opinions and erode trust in electoral processes.
Additionally, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology too issued directives to ensure responsible AI deployment. Initially requiring government permission for untested AI models, the advisory was later modified to focus on labeling AI-generated content for transparency, which reflected India's proactive approach to mitigating the use of AI during election campaigns.
Right, Amrita. And it was not just the central government that was at the forefront of fighting AI generated menace. Many states also took several initiatives. For example, Maharashtra. State authorities took swift action during the Lok Sabha elections by cracking down on creators of deepfake content. This decisive move aimed to curb the manipulation of public opinion through AI generated videos and images.
Rightly mentioned, Ranjana. Now moving to the European Union, they have taken significant steps with the introduction of the AI Act, targeting tech giants to combat the spread of deepfakes.
Also, in Mexico, there has been a focused effort on educating voters about AI generated misinformation. The government launched a statewide campaign in collaboration with tech companies and media outlets to raise awareness and equip voters with tools to identify and mitigate the impact of deepfakes. This initiative aims to empower voters with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions during elections.
Similarly, in Latvia, there's a growing recognition of the need to regulate AI in election campaigns to prevent manipulation. There is widespread support among policymakers for implementing robust regulatory frameworks to safeguard electoral transparency and fairness.
Right, Amrita. Across the Atlantic in the United States, Mississippi recently passed legislation criminalizing the dissemination of deepfakes during elections, which was a very important move. This legislative move aims to protect electoral integrity by prohibiting the deceptive use of AI generated content to sway voters' opinion.
Meanwhile, in Romania, efforts are underway to combat deepfakes through a collaborative approach involving government agencies, social media platforms, and tech industry stakeholders. Romania has launched an official mechanism to report and verify deepfake content on social networks, leveraging AI technology to detect and mitigate the spread of misinformation. These global efforts underscore a shared commitment to leveraging AI's potential while safeguarding democratic processes from malicious actors. It's clear that effective regulation and collaboration among different stakeholders are essential in navigating the complexities posed by AI in elections.
Absolutely, Amrita. As technology continues to evolve, so should our regulatory frameworks and collaborative efforts across borders. Educating voters and policymakers about the implications of AI in election is crucial for ensuring informed decision making and preserving democratic norms. However, the question is whether these rules and advisory were able to control the spread of deepfakes or misinformation and disinformation created by AI. answer to this question is difficult. It is very difficult to quantify the impact caused by deepfake videos and misinformation and disinformation. These type of contents created by AI were highly prevalent in social media platforms, which suggest that these efforts or initiative taken by governments were inadequate in dealing with this menace.
Rightly highlighted, Ranjana. So that wraps up today's episode. Thank you all for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights into how AI is shaping the future of elections globally.